Can you show me?
Literally a cat on a top tin roof. The big cat team have witnessed some amazing sights.
This one, let me see this one. This upstairs. I will get shocked.